Looking for a brake controller that works flawlessly without the headache of constant adjustments? This model delivers smooth, automatic and manual braking, no level adjustments needed. It's built to keep your travel trailer safe and your driving experience stress-free. I replaced the brake controller on my 2000 Tundra State Route 5 with this one, and it's been a solid upgrade. My previous controller lasted 8 years before the slide handle broke. Unlike many trucks, my Tundra doesn't come with a wiring harness, so I had to carefully splice the wires one by one, matching colors to the original setup. It took some time, but the installation was worth it. The Quick Connect design saves time on most setups, making it a breeze for those with standard wiring. What stands out is how reliable and easy to use this controller is. It's made right here in the USA and is lead-free, so you know it's built with quality materials and safety in mind. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty, giving you peace of mind long after purchase. Customers across the country have given it top reviews, praising its performance and durability. If you're towing a travel trailer and want a dependable brake controller that's simple to install and built to last, this is worth a look. It's designed to make your trips safer and your setup smoother, exactly what you need when you hit the road. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your towing setup. With proven reliability, American craftsmanship, and a user-friendly design, this brake controller is a smart choice for any travel trailer owner.